So open up your Pentest Studio or any of your favorite development editors. Now, we have created a Ruby project and run a Ruby script, conditionals.rb, in the previous lecture. So let's say we have a check mechanism for our website. Okay, so if it is not online, then we will show the maintenance page. So that means we have a variable is online equals true. If not operator is online, then puts maintenance end of if statement. So in most programming languages, we check false expressions just like that. However, Ruby has a really nice unless operator, so that provides a much more readable code. So let's change our online status to false. Then use unless as our modifier. So now let's save it and run it and see how that shows maintenance. Now we can also do variable assignments with unless statements. So page equals unless is online, then maintenance, else, then home page, end of statement. Puts page, run the script, and it shows the result. Ruby also has a nice option for a quick if-else statements. These types of statements are called ternary statements. I'll define that in an example. Okay, so page equals is online as a Boolean expression, question mark, home page as a true condition, if statement, colon, maintenance as else statement. Puts, page, run the script, and it shows the result. So the ternary operator is a combination of question mark and colon symbols. Okay, now sometimes we may want to implement in one line so that we can put it on the same line as an unless statement. So puts maintenance unless is online, run, and it shows maintenance. And again, that's kind of a shorthand for the unless statement. Now we can do it in another way as well, as just a one-liner. Unless is online, then puts maintenance end. Run the script and look at the result. We can implement an else statement in this one-liner as well. Else puts home page end. Run the script and look at that result. We can apply the same syntax for if statements. If is online, then puts home page end. Run the script and look at the result.